Your Zendesk IVR can route calls to specialists, contractors, or after-hours teams outside your system. But before you start, you'll need Zendesk Suite Professional or Higher, Talk Professional or Enterprise, a phone number with outbound calling, external numbers with country codes, and admin center permissions. Here's how IVR routes your calls. Automated menus direct callers efficiently, letting them choose their destination without waiting for an agent. Zendesk Talk gives you 4 ways to route calls: send them to agent groups, forward to external numbers, route to voicemail, or offer text back. This flexibility ensures every call reaches the right destination. Your IVR Control Center. This is where you configure all your routing from one dashboard, setting up menus, destinations, and call flows. Step 1. Record your IVR greeting. Navigate to Admin Center, Talk, then Greetings. Add a new greeting. Record directly in your browser, or upload an MP3. Keep it concise, but list your most common options first. Step 2. Build your menu structure. Go to Admin Center, Talk, then IVR. Create a new menu and name it. For external routing, select Route to External Number and enter the full phone number, including country code. Multi-level menu configuration. This interface shows all your active routes and menu levels clearly, making it easy to build complex call flows. Step 3. Connect your IVR to your phone number. In Admin Center, go to Talk, then Numbers. Select your phone number, choose the IVR menu from the drop-down, and save. Always test thoroughly before going live. Agent-initiated transfers. During active calls, agents can manually transfer to external numbers. They click Transfer, dial the external number with country code, wait for an answer, introduce the caller, then complete the transfer. IVR-initiated transfers work automatically. When a caller selects an option that routes to an external number, the transfer happens without any agent involvement. Perfect for after-hours routing, specialist referrals, or overflow call centers. Track your external routing with Zendesk Explore. Open the Talk Calls dataset, add the forwarded calls metric, and filter by call IVR action equals phone number. Use this data to identify peak times and measure answer rates at external destinations. Before going live, remember these 4 things. Caller ID forwarding is configurable. Call recording continues after transfers, so ensure compliance. You pay for both legs of transferred calls and test everything twice from multiple numbers. Automate support beyond phone calls. While Zendesk Talk handles your phone routing, but with eesel AI, it learns from your tickets and helps Center to handle email, chat, and web forms. Our AI agent drafts responses, deflects common questions, and resolves tickets autonomously, all within your Zendesk workspace. Complete your support automation. Handle phone calls with Zendesk IVR, and automate everything else with eesel AI. Start your free trial today. No credit card required. Visit eesel.ai.